Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video, and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and saving some money perhaps. I also invite you to check out the links in the description for some long-term savings with the stock market. 2014 Ford Escape transmission drain and fill. The drain plug right here, I think it's like 11 millimeter or maybe 7/16, something like that. And the check plug, it's gonna be right over here. Looks like a hexa Allen. I'll get that information to you in a little bit, and we'll drain it and fill it, and that's how we'll do it. So yeah, 7/16 or 11 millimeter. Everything's gonna be left to loosen, right to tighten. Got a measuring device actually down below here, so I can measure how much fluid comes out. If it's dark enough, you could actually do this maybe three times, drain it, put the same amount back in, run it, drain it, run it, drain it, 2 or 3 times, get the fluid a little better looking, and then you can do the final fill, verify the fluid level. Just coming up on the tip top 4 quarts, and there we go, it's just slowing down. So I'm going to feel pretty good about putting 4 quarts in here, really. We'll put the drain plug in here. We might do this twice because it is pretty dark. So, forgot to mention the cover. It's got some screws along the top here that are T27 Torx bits for me. Then I had 2 7 millimeter bolts, one over here, and then one over here. And then I had 3 more Torx bits back there. There's the cover.
Just checking on you, make sure you're still breathing, Dan.
The cover, if it still exists on your car. We're doing this twice, so we'll just snug that up a little bit like that. Then we'll add some fluid and then run it, and we'll drain it again. Then we'll get to the verify fluid level and where to put the fluid next. But we'll do this drain and fill twice. It's a tight fit, but there's a fill hole down here. Just a friction fit cap, just pulls off and pushes on. Tells you what kind of fluid it is, which is Mercon LV. We'll pull that out, put a funnel in it, and add 4 quarts of Mercon LV. Get a little cleaning first. Just take your time, not going down super fast, but the funnel in there. Going down slowly but surely. We'll put in 4 quarts and run it, and we'll be back with the verify fluid level and all that good stuff. So they say they want the transmission at normal operating temperature, 185 to 200 degrees. We're actually monitoring transmission fluid temperature here. About 160, climbing up. Although I would say, turn the light off here. It'd be nice if they actually said we want the transmission fluid temperature at a certain temperature, not operating temperature. To me, that's a little confusing because operating temperature is usually for coolant for the engine. But I'm gonna rev this up for a little bit. Get it up to 185, and we'll check our fluid level. So we'll be monitoring this temperature here, and once it's at 185-ish, we're going to pull the plug on the transmission for fluid level. Put 4 more quarts in there after draining, filled it again. So that's what we're doing. And there are two options of two different plugs on the transmission for the fluid level check, so be aware of that. Mine is on the back side of the transmission, closer to the firewall, but some of them actually have them in front of the CV axle, closer to the front of the vehicle, and they're probably two different sizes. Mine's a Allen, 10mm Allen wrench. And I just got it in drive, and I'm stepping on the gas a little bit. I'll heat it up a little bit quicker. Getting it close. 175. So be aware, two plugs, but they both work the same. Get it up to operating temperature. Then make sure fluid just kind of dribbles out the hole. I want the fluid to be level with the hole, but I'm sure that if you just have it's dribbling out, that's close to the where they want it, bottom of the hole. 184.4, 185. All right, good to go. Check the fluid level. Make sure you're on a level surface. Again, so there's a plug that I have is there, but you could have one on this side. There's two different types of transmissions, apparently, and I think this is what you're going to see if it's over here on this side. So I really don't like this setup because you got to reach up with your arm, and the transmission fluid just runs right down on your arm. Not really cool. So I did use a, here we go. I use this 3/8 ratchet extension. Right through here. I'm going to put the camera down, but I'm going to hook this up and take the plug out, and we'll see where we're at. Got a little fluid running out, so maybe let that run out for a minute or two, and you'll just start dribbling. The deal is the temperature in the transmission keeps going up, so the fluid level theoretically keeps going up. Not sure how fast that's going to be, but we'll just let this drain out, and then we'll tighten that down. Looks like it's already slowing down, so we'll put this back in when it's dribbling, and that'll be it. That's proper fluid level. This is reading 130 on my infrared gun on the bottom of the, oh, there we go, weird. 159. All right, so we're just going to hit it right here. 152. So I'll keep it up here somewhere. So there's 160. So about 20, 25 degrees below the scan reading. All right, we're gonna put the plug in, and this will be it. We'll put the shield back on under the bottom cover. That's draining and filling your transmission on a 2014 and other model years Ford Escape.